In this video I'm just going to show how to upload your YouTube content via Adobe Premiere. So what I'm going to do is, now in my video already have recorded this video, I just edited the editing completion is done. So now I'm going to upload on YouTube. How to do that from my Adobe Premiere? So here once everything is done, just go to this file and click this export and click media. Once you see this page and change your if you want, you can change your format settings here and keep it in name, and I'm just keeping this, and video everything set. Whatever the configurations you want, you can change this. And finally you will have this options called publish. In publish you can directly upload to Creative Cloud, Facebook, Twitter, Behance, and YouTube as well. Even Vimeo you can do that. Now I'm going to share this on YouTube. How I'm going to do this? Because in YouTube I have two security password system, so authentication. So one thing is password, another one is I'm having some app. So I'm just clicking this, enabling this YouTube button, and click to log in. It will ask you for authorize the application. So my channel name is Vicky's Blog, and I'm going to give this. I have a lot of playlists, right? So this is a new thing, Adobe Premiere. So Adobe Premiere and title, how to upload videos from Adobe Premiere to YouTube. So this is also done, and descriptions. So this is right now. I'm gonna make it a private and check. So everything is done. So I'm just clicking this custom thumbnail. So this I will custom thumbnail I will decide it later. So delete local file after upload, but now so just make it an export now. So it's trying to export and coding, and it will try to upload. So once it's done uploading 100%, so I'm going to check on my YouTube channel. Once it got uploaded, I'm just going to verify this. As of now, this video is private only, so it's 89%. It's getting processed. It's private only, so I'm gonna. That's fine. Same way you can upload a lot of videos from YouTube. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please provide comments and feedbacks in my video forms. Also, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.